It was once said that smartphone innovation couldn't go any further. But we've pushed beyond what's possible and redefined the mobile category, introducing a device like no other, Galaxy Fold. Ergonomically designed to fit within the palm of your hand, Fold's compact outer display is the first to enable truly one-handed, on-the-go responses. Fold isn't just a meticulously crafted luxury smartphone. We've fine-tuned every last detail to make it a revolutionary, high-end tablet experience. The immersive main display brings your favorite movies and games so close, they'll leave you truly breathless. All while drastically reducing harmful blue light to put less strain on your eyes. As you switch between screens, Fold's app continuity seamlessly configures your favorite apps, while the software optimization with Google allows you for the first time on mobile to watch a video on YouTube, text your friend about it, and book your stay, all at the same time. Tissue-thin layers of unique polymer materials have been finely crafted to form an unprecedented level of screen flexibility while maintaining screen integrity. The result? Super cinematic images and ultra-sharp content for a rich viewing experience. Equally breakthrough is Fold's innovative concealed hinging system. Artfully encased in its refined, durable body, Fold's spine articulates with the strength and precision of luxury timepieces, allowing smooth, interlocking gears in the sophisticated outer shell to close perfectly inwards, protecting vital components. When it comes to capturing your own content, Fold's pro-grade 6-camera system makes every angle epic. From everyday spontaneous moments, to the triple rear system, to capturing unsurpassed 123 degrees ultra-wide shots. Fold's HDR10 Plus video capability means more dynamic and vibrant memories, while the two inner cameras let you express yourself in detail. To keep you ahead of the action, Fold breaks technological boundaries. Available as both a 4G and 5G model, its unparalleled high-speed performance comes from not one, but two batteries, which combine to form a single revolutionary energy cell, giving you the power to share power, even on the go. For the first time, we've revolutionized the smartphone and tablet breakthroughs to deliver a true pioneering experience. We didn't just change the shape of the phone, we changed the shape of tomorrow. Galaxy Fold.
갤럭시 최초의 5G 폰 탄생.
4K 라이브 방송.
야, 렉 없는 리니지야 실화야?
다 같이 해도 속도 끝내준다. 우와, 이런 것도 보여요? 대박. 갤럭시 5G 폰이잖아. 5G 폰 인정?
인정.
5G 새로운 시대 당신 손에서 갤럭시 S10 5G.